Hello, and welcome to CES Grammar Spot. My name is Diana, and today we're going to be looking at two words that are commonly misused by native English speakers, so it's important to get them right. First, let's take a look at then. So, then is used to explain that something happens after something else in time. So, for example, I went to Toronto, then I went to New York. So, I went to New York after I went to Toronto. On the other hand, we have then. It looks the same, it sounds almost the same, but it's a little bit different. So we use then to compare two things. You can compare two places, to people, to animals, whatever. Here, we're comparing Toronto and New York. So for example, Toronto is smaller than New York. So in size, Toronto has fewer people, less space than New York does. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the quiz in the description below, and we hope to see you in Toronto sometime soon.